How to create AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create an AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. Let's get started. First, log into your AWS console. Once you're logged in, go to Services. Scroll down to the Security, Identity, and Compliance section. Then, click on Identity and Access Management. Now, click on Users from the sidebar. If you already have a user that you want to assign access to, you can select that user here. But for this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new user. Click Add User. Next, assign a username. Go ahead and click Next. Now, you need to assign this user to a group. I already have a group created. If you don't, you can create one here. Once that's done, click Next. Then, review the details. If everything looks good, click Create User. Now you will be taken to your list of users. Find the user you just created and click on it. From here, you can create the access key for this user. Click on Create Access Key. You will be asked to select the appropriate use case for this key. For this tutorial, I will choose Other, but you can select whichever option fits your project. Click Next. You can add tags if you want, but for now, I will skip this step. Click Create Access Key, and that's it. You can either copy these details and share them, or you can download the CSV file and send it to the user who will be using this account. And that's how you create an AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.